my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and it is 2024. All right, this is the first week in 20 and 24, and it's going to be a good one. It really is, because it is a whole new year to craft. Woo, from the Peanut Gallery. Okay, now, we are in a collab for 12 by 12 Juk Journal Challenge for 2024. Our goal is to make 12 journals in 12 months. That's a journal a month. But now hold up. It's okay. We know sometime the poo-poo bird comes along and life gives you lemons. I understand. So maybe one month you can't make a whole journal. You can only make a tag for the journal you was going to make or going to make the next month. It's okay. Make the tag. Do some crafting. Have some fun. Release some stress. That's what it's all about. Then you're going to go and do your little hashtag and post that tag that you made, because by God, that was an accomplishment for that month. Okay? There are really no rules. It's just to, have the freedom to craft and share it on the social media with the hashtag and see what everybody else is doing and get inspiration from them and keep on keeping on. That's what it's all about. Just keep on keeping on. So we're going to keep this dream alive, and the best part is there's fun, freebies, and creative freedom. The 2024 Juk Journal Challenge Dream Team January is kicked off by our host, Dawn at ScrapbookSage. She kicked it off the first of this week and for January, and she's hosting it. And we have Yvette and Trish, me, we have Joan, and then we have Nana, aka Sheila, Creative Nana, that is in the collab doing this. Okay, now ScrapbookSage will be providing freebies in her coffee shop all year long, and each of the Dream Team members has a freedom to design their own for each of their challenges and offer freebie and videos. We will be doing 2 videos a month at least. I have no extra rules to add. It is have fun, use it to relieve your stress, use it to do the journals on your bucket list that you've been wanting to do, but you've been putting them off, procrastinating on, or like me. In January, my theme is antiques. Antiques is defined to me as not a certain time frame like Victorian or something and doing a Victorian journal. An antique journal for me is actually doing a journal using antique and vintage papers to make the journal and ephemeral. Okay, I keep telling myself I'm going to do this. I'm going to buy this, 1800 book, and I'm going to make a journal with it when I get better. When I get better. I don't want to send it to the graveyard. I don't want to be the one that sends an 1820 book to the graveyard. You know what I'm saying? But none of that. No, this 2024, we're going to have us a good year. We are going to make a journal out that book. So I went through all my vintage and antique papers and pulled out all kind of papers. I think I got enough to make 3 journals. Here they are. It's just all kind of goodies. Look at that. Just all kind of, well, that's not. That's the case I have to. All this is all kind of goodies. This is 1920. Yeah, 1920 piano roll. We got some vintage. That's just about my hometown. Beethoven piano rolls, books, children nursery rhyme books. This is 1800s, 1890s, 1900s, 1920s. I've got some 30s and 40s in here. This is Dawn's paper dye, kit that I paper dyed. That's some handmade cotton paper that I bought. Just all kind of newspapers, magazines from the 1926. This is a 1977 cross stitch thing. Maps, fly leaves out of the antique and vintage books. Avocado dye paper. Some more books and vintage leather and some vintage and antique lace. Doilies. Okay, that's just in that stack. Then I got another stack over here with some of the same stuff to use to make our journal pages and to make the ephemera with. Okay, now this is where I'm going to stop this video, and it's 5 minutes and 37 seconds, and I don't know if I said everything, but you know what, it's going to be okay this year. I'm just not going to worry about it. Y'all forgive me, love me. If you don't, you'll unsubscribe to me. It won't be a problem with it. Okay, this is Dawn's kit out of her coffee shop, and I'm going to have all the links down below. But I'm going to end the video now and tell you I love you, and I'll see you on the next go round. And then I'll flip through her papers and put her video on the end card there. When the video ends, you'll be able to link and go over and see her video from this week where she did the kickoff. And all the information from all the ladies is be down in my description. Go there. If you're not subscribed to them already, subscribe to them and let's follow along. And remember, the hashtag is hashtag 12x12 Juk Journal Challenge for 2024, and I'll have the hashtag down below too as well. Okay, love you. See you again later. That's my printer. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that till I did the video before. And y'all know this is like second video I did because I really struggled with this. I just did not want to mess up that vintage paper, y'all. It's like life help situation, you know. It's called a shrink. I got a problem. I'm gonna do it. I did it. It took me all afternoon just to choose the books, but I did it, y'all. I did it. I'm so proud of myself because I did it. I actually did it, and I actually pulled the paper out the books. Tore some of them out. Just tore it out the book. Whew. Thought I was going to have to go get a Xanax from the hospital. That's cute. This is pretty. I like it. I printed it twice. These are actual digitals that she made. I have an actual autograph scrapbook thing from 1888 from Friends of Libby. So it's actual penmanship and stuff that she scanned and made digitals out of. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's so pretty. I think coffee dyes really well. Y'all saw that coffee dye I did too. Okay. Bye. See you on the next one.